everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not going to be a makeup related video or fashion related. It's just gonna be kind of an update and chit chat on what's going on in the world, and I think we're all very well aware of the whole situation that we're all kind of living through. I don't want to say the word because I heard that you can get like blocked on YouTube if you like mention the word, so I just want to be cautious and I don't want to do it. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also go ahead and turn on the notifications so you guys, sorry you guys, I'm like all over the place right now. I have like too much in my mind. Make sure to hit the bell button so you guys can be notified every single time I upload, and also follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on there, especially right now that I literally have nothing to do. So follow me on there and we can chit chat and just have fun on there. But anyways, let's just get into the video. So I don't really have anything planned to like really talk to you guys about. I mean, I guess I do. So just us an overall kind of background. I live in the Bay Area, so if you guys know, I guess there's like a few confirmed cases in San Francisco. Not in the city that I'm from what I've known and from, you know, like right now in the news, we do not have any confirmed cases, but unfortunately, or no, I mean fortunately, I guess, I mean, I don't really know how to see it. We're in shelter in place, so it's kind of it's kind of like in a lockdown, but not really. So you're allowed to just, you know, go out and shop your basic necessities and do anything that it's of utmost importance, but you shouldn't be like just out and about in places. Pretty much all the restaurants are like closed, and I believe Starbucks is open as a grab and go type of situation. But for the most part, we're all stuck in our homes, especially me, because I work in an elementary school. So I work for the school district, meaning that we closed. Our last day of school was Friday, and we're not supposed to go back until April 7th, I believe. But rumor has it we might not even go back until fall, which, to be honest, that would really suck. So right now we're kind of just waiting, and to be honest, it's really boring. I'm really bored. Things that I'm doing to kind of keep my mind off of it is I've been taking really good care of my skin. And I've been using, oh my god, where is it? Dang it. I've been using this mask from Fourth Rate Beauty, which is kind of like the sister brand of ColourPop, and I've been using this like mask, and it's very thick and green. Actually, I don't want to open it because it gets everywhere, but it's really hydrating and nourishing, and I really like it. So you put it on for like 5 to 15 minutes and it's really good. So I've kind of been doing that, and then I follow up with the face milk, which is just to hydrate your skin even more. I have really dry skin, so it's kind of what I've been doing. Also, I'm kind of been reading. I'm into reading right now. I'm gonna start, I actually don't have any new books. The last book that I read, let me just get it from up here, sorry. The last book I read, sorry, I still have a bookmark, but I was going through it to like, I like going back and like highlighting my favorite parts of the books, so that's what I was doing with this one. But this is the last book I read, which is called Before, and it is the prequel to the prequel, yeah, the prequel kind of, or yeah, kind of, for after. And I don't know if you guys have read the books, but I have all the books. They're right here, which are actually, oops, this it's not a trilogy. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the 5th book. So I've read all of them, and so I don't have anything to read at the moment. Anything like new to read. So I was going through like my book collection, because you guys know I'm a big reader, and I found this one, and I have the whole trilogy of this. And I've only read the first one. I think I read this one about 3 years ago, I want to say. And I remember some parts, but I don't remember everything. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and reread it so that I can finish the trilogy, because I have nothing else to do, which really sucks. And I kind of want to put an order on Amazon for new books, but if we're being completely honest, I'm scared to place an order. I'm just scared to like receive any packages from the outside world. I'm kind of in my little bubble, and I don't want to come out. And it's not so much because I'm afraid of getting sick, but I'm afraid of like, maybe like getting it and not showing any symptoms, and then passing it on to someone that might actually get it, like my mom, or you know, like older people. So kind of the update right now. I don't really know what else we're gonna be doing, but you guys like my cup. I got this cup off of Starbucks. This happened like a week ago when we were still like actively living a life, and it was awesome because I had seen it on, okay, it's a really good story about this. So I had seen it on Instagram, and I really wanted it, so I went to like 6 Starbucks in my area, and no one had it. And then I went to this one spot, and they were like, you have to go to Safeway, like they have it. And I was like, okay, cool. So I went to Safeway, or to the Starbucks inside of Safeway, and the lady there, she's like, what are you looking for? I was like, oh, I'm looking for a tumbler that is like matte pink and it has studs all over. And she's like, okay. I was like, do you guys have any? And she's like, no, but very like suspicious. And I was like, I was like, okay. And then she was like, well, I have 2. And I was like, oh great. I was like, so can I buy one? And then she was like, no. And I'm like, why? She's like, oh, because it's not time yet, and my manager hasn't told me to put it out yet. So I was like, can I talk to your manager? I was like being really nice about it. It wasn't like I was being mean to her or anything. And then the manager came down, and I was like, can I please just get it? And he was like, yeah, just take it. And I was like, cool. So I got it, and I get so many compliments. I don't know if you guys can tell how pretty it is, but it's so awesome. I also have a really, really nice unicorn one, and I love that one as well. But right now I'm using this one, and yeah. What else, you guys? I really don't really know what to do. That's why I'm kind of doing this video. I think that I'm going to be doing my nails after this video. I'm going to use the Serendipity. That's such a weird name. And it's kind of like a dip nail polish, and I remember using it a really long time ago, and I liked it, but last time I was looking at pictures and they didn't look so great. So I kind of want to give it a try. I really like my nails right now, and I'm going to talk about this thing that I'm doing with my nails on my next video, so watch out for that one. Actually, I really want to make a TikTok, because I feel like it's the new thing and it's all over the place. Oh, also, I'm going to be so good on YouTube, because I'm like planning so many videos since I have so much free time. You guys, not in a good way. I actually miss just driving to work and like getting my coffee and just kind of like going about my day, but I can't do that right now because there's nothing to do, you guys. Everything is literally closed. Like one of my favorite coffee shops, it's closed. And also there's like literally no point of going out. I was seeing some people online, I think on Sunday, where people were at a bar. People are so ignorant. Like, I'm like, it's okay if you're not afraid of getting it, because I'm not afraid of getting it, but I'm afraid to pass it down to someone that, like, might be really vulnerable to it. So I just think people are so, like, just empty up here. Like, just stop going out. Stop. Like, it's not that hard. Just don't go out. What's the big deal? But yeah, I've been, like, planning out my videos. I'm also kind of going through, like, my bullet journal and making sure, I don't know, I really like my bullet journal. Look how cute it is. I love it. So in love with that. Even though I haven't been that great, to be honest, because I can't go to the gym because the gym's closed. Or are they closed? I think they are. What else I can't do? That's pretty much it. I can't go to the gym. But I love my bullet journal, you guys. And I take a lot of inspiration from this one girl. Her name's Amanda. What's her name? Amanda Rayleigh, I think her name is. And most of the spreads that I do come from her. And I love it. This is like my mood tracker and my habit tracker, and then this is like my March thing. And I don't know, I'm really into bullet journaling. It's really therapeutic. And yeah, that's kind of what's holding me over right now. Like I said, we're kind of a really like weird time in our lives. And also, you guys, because I'm always home, I like want to eat all the time because I have nothing else to do. So yeah, that's kind of it. Just wanted to kind of update you guys, tell you guys that there's going to be so many more videos coming up because I'm stuck at home and I'm just going to be filming all the time probably. But yeah, that's kind of our little update. I hope this wasn't too boring. I kind of wanted to just share with you guys what I'm doing to keep myself sane. And yeah, let me know down below if you guys are going through anything like this, if your area is like in shelter in place mode. And yeah, it'd be interesting to share our experiences. But that is it for today's video. I know it wasn't our typical kind of like beauty type of video, but I thought it would be fun to just talk for a little bit about what's happening in the world. Remember to please stay home and be really careful. Stay safe. Wash your hands. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.